Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's topic is multiplying by a near multiple of 10. Reference is LB, page number 150. Let's have a look at the statement. It states that the product of 23 times 19 is 2 less than the product of 23 times 21. Do you think the statement is right? Well, I think it's wrong, so let's prove it wrong. We can multiply 19 or 21 by multiplying 23 by 20 and then adjusting. 23 times 19 is one group of 23 less than 23 times 20. How? Let's see. If I want to know 23 times 19, I am going to round up or adjust 19 to the nearest multiple of 10. So 19 will become 20. 23 times 20 is 460. So what will be 23 times 19? As 19 is less than 20, so here we are going to subtract 23 from the answer of 23 times 20. So let's do it. 460 minus 23 equals 437. So 23 times 19 is 437. Let's do the next part. Here we want to know 23 times 21, and we know that 23 times 21 is one group of 23 more than 23 times 20. So as we know, 23 times 20 equals 460. So 23 times 21 will be 460 plus 23, that is equal to 483. Let's have a look at this question now. Here I want to know 26 times 19, and for that reason we are going to simply adjust 19 to the near multiple of 10. It will become 26 times 20. 26 times 20 is 520. 520 minus 26 will give us the answer to 26 times 19. And when we subtract 26 from 520, we get 494. Let's do this part now. 26 times 21. Again, we are going to adjust it with 26 times 20. As we already know, the answer of 26 times 20 is 520. Now, as we have to move forward to the next number, so we are going to simply add 26 to get the answer. So, 26 times 21 is 520 plus 26. 520 plus 20 is 540 plus 6 is 546. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Jazakallah khair.